it? That's your tablet, is it?
Yeah.
Having their last puff.
Come back now, you. That's no problem. No, good look.
Can't see it. Go over where we're only used to.
Yeah. Right over there.
It's all right.
Come in, my lovely.
See?
What
All right,
do you
Gloria?
got to do so I can see?
Now around this corner you're going to see some owl.
Okay.
Okay, don't do anything yet. I gotta.
It's a snowy owl, right? Okay. So it's white.
What the hell? What's going on with this?
Can you see it yet, Gloria?
No.
Come over here.
Here he is
Did
over there.
you get it, Danny?
Yeah, I probably did. The glare on this is really bad, so, but I probably got it.
In the middle of the
Fucking thing, what? Jesus.
Come over here. Under the
Oh,
tree.
okay.
All right.
Oh,
So they're clipped so they can't fly.
Oh, are they?
okay.
Do I? Where's clipped?
Wings.
This is seen. Why would they do that?
There's two there, I think.
Poor owls, boy.
Did you get one, Danny?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it.
Yeah, snowy owl.
Okay.
Yeah, snowy owl.
Oh, I see the one next to him. There's a brown one next to him.
Do you know what I thought that was?
What? A
I thought it
stump?
was a stump.
Maybe it is. Okay.
Could be right though.
We
Don't
can
look
call
like
it
you.
a
Look like you.
I can't even see the bloody thing now.
It's a bad glare, isn't it?
Yeah, you can't see anything.
I know, my glare is just terrible. I can't see it anything either.
I get it now. I get it now.
Peter, can't see my nose.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, isn't that beautiful though?
So they're saying this is a caribou, and they're saying a caribou is different from a moose. So this is a caribou.
Right, Leo?
That's their first origin, I think was in Labrador. There's a lot of caribou in Labrador.
Looks like a reindeer with a rabbit.
No, don't go yet. Go on.
No, we just got here, so.
So,
All you want to get is a picture of ours.
They must be all over here too.
I sure he will take his care of. Give it up, Stephen. I'll send you right there with him.
you don't want to run after you, do you?
You're lucky here. There's not so many flies in it either.
No. This camera, I'm going to go fire. That's what I'll do with it. Huh? I don't know how come I can't go from stupid one way to the other way.
What do you mean?
You don't even. You wore my bloody reading glass. Oh, I can see it now. Right?
I'm not going to probably be out today because it's not so hot.
Exactly.
That's a good day for it.
Yeah. I never last day. Put on now. I'm trying to get away from it.
It's a better angle. Didn't get his butt this time.
That was my favorite.
He turned away. See that?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Turn around, you crooked old thing.
Babe, I was thinking about your cat. Do you give him some grass to eat on? Some grass out from out your garden.
Why?
It's good for them if they have any hairballs or anything. I give them on a bowl of grass every day. And
No.
they're doing a lot better.
Are they?
Yeah.
He's going to take grass from my bank account next week when I take him to the doctor.
What's wrong with him?
I just wanted to get a checkup done on him before I go on vacation.
What's going to take you at?
Again.
Kitty, kitty. Again, sure, I haven't been on vacation.
You do 2 weeks, huh?
Yeah, for my nose.
Yeah.
That's not vacation, my dear.
For your nose?
That's
What
not,
happened
that's
to
not
your
I'm
nose?
when I'm home, I can't talk my neck because I can't get no worms out.
What's wrong with your nose?
I had sinus surgery.
Do you? Oh
So
yeah,
we
you did
are.
too, didn't you?
We're going to Viva Las Vegas.
You and Steve?
Yep.
What are you going
Look.
for?
Going for 10
There's
days.
your house head.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Las Vegas.
Move on again, guys, or what?
Yep.
Wait now.
Hold on now.
There you go. There you go.
Kathy, we're not
Oh,
walking fast
pooped.
with this
Baby.
storm, okay?
Look at him, look.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Come on over.
You can't come over.
Touch, guys.
So that was the great horned owl. Great horned owl.
That's sick, bro.
Back of the bus.
Got his eyes closed up there.
Oh look. Looking that beautiful though. What is this?
Looks like a little mouse sort of, I don't know.
Oh my God!
Sweet.
Look, his little head is up. Where is he? No.
That's cute.
Oh, that's
Looks,
sick.
Danny wants to get in there?
Danny's there.
Okay.
oh,
Oh, he's going over there.
No,
Not like another little cat.
that's not a cat.
I know.
That's
Furry
adorable.
like a cat.
Look at it.
Oh my.
Oh. Come out here, you little bugger. Where are you? Where is he?
Camera shy.
He's going to lie down and have a nap now.
Don't care what he's doing. Better get his ass out.
No, he's got it down there.
That's his little house, I guess. No crowd, mate. Okay.
so this one they say, who am
He's
I?
against other male.
He's right over here between the stump.
They call this one a
He
Newfoundland,
just
a, New,
slid down.
a Newfoundland
He's
Martin.
underneath the stump.
Newfoundland Martin.
He got his head burrowed into his tail. See that?
I can't see that.
Right in through that stump there.
Oh, that's rotten.
He did you rotten.
Oh, that's absolutely sweet.
Yeah. It's like hiding under there.
Oh my God, isn't that adorable? I just got him. No way. Yes way.
You guys move on just as we get here.
So this one, this one is, I guess, the
What?
woodchuck.
Are we going too slow?
What do they eat? Habitat. Like I said, this is
I'll take the other hint.
the woodchuck.
Oh, can I get that? I don't want to. Excuse me there for a minute.
I don't think we're going to see
You want
much
to
here, to be
drink?
honest with you.
Oh, so. How much wood would woodchuck chuck if woodchuck would?
So they're saying that people have never seen the woodchuck, so I don't know. So this area was, they're saying, the green frog. Yeah.
I take really weird picture, fool. Look.
And they're saying that we won't be able to see any green frogs today, so.
What do you see?
Okay, 2 bald eagles. You having a problem with the glare too, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't see anything.
Can't see something. Just shoot and hope for the best.
A lot there, Danny?
Yeah, two really nice
Yeah.
ones there.
Yeah.
So like I said, this is the bald eagle.
Yeah.
A little bit of information here. The bald eagle.
And fall until they reach maturity. Largest nest. The Caribou will use the same nest for several years.
Let's just see to make sure if I can.
No.
Yeah, I can see the two white heads now. Yeah, I can see the two white heads now. Beautiful birds. Two beautiful bald eagles. Two beautiful bald eagles. So this one, they're called
Oh, I
the
see them now.
northern goshawk.
He's white and white netted blue.
Yeah.
Oh, he's nice.
Northern goshawk.
Nice.
How many do you see?
One
Where is it?
over there, right there and behind the branches.
I can't see it.
Right there.
Just looks like a pigeon. Small little bird.
Rubbing his nose.
So I was just saying, this is a moose. This is a moose, not a caribou. Two different things.
Look here, maybe you come over and let me get him.
This is so weird having
Look,
Big-
and he loved it too.
a big moose right in front of me like this. I don't think this has ever happened.
Hey. Hello, boy.
Man.
That's beautiful though. You can hear him breathe.
Oh, he's leaving. You got no food for him. Oh.
That was a woodchuck with me.
Look at him going up, going to get it.
Want to come up, Danny? Come up, Danny.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good.
What's wrong with this? Oh, this camera. Oh, irritates me so much.
One I got last year.
Once a damn video. You gonna let me take a video or what?
So Mr. Moose is
Big moose there.
having a snack on his grass here.
He's down there rubbing them down. Wow. He let the people that was here touch him.
Really?
Yeah, rub on his nose
Wow.
and his antlers.
Andrea.
Doing this stupid thing, yeah.
Let's go.
Throw this.
Yeah, he was right down here.
Wow.
I guess he thought we were going to feed him. And he wasn't afraid.
Notice the caribou head. The caribou antlers had nothing on it, but here's got like a little bit of a fuzz on his antlers.
The caribou are prettier looking than he.
You
Don't
think so?
Yeah, I think so. Well, now caribou are smaller, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what the difference is too.
His caribou's antlers are bigger.
Yeah, yeah. Someone's crying.
Imagine that he let you rub him too, let's see.
Oh, yes, you
That's
you
not
missed
right.
out on that, Kathy.
No, I saw
No
it,
little
believe me, I saw it.
description
I saw
sign for this
someone
one, or
Rubbing his nose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay, that's okay.
Oh my God. Come
You
on.
might scare him like that, Kathy.
No, why? Well, let him go. Come on.
Where's his ears going?
Come on, big boy.
All right, I'm just gonna hold on, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
it's amazing.
Oh, you get them too, do you? This here, what's this?
It's binoculars.
Oh, are they good set?
Not bad.
Two birds over there.
So this one is the
One
the
died
mink.
away.
The mink. The mink.
Where is it? The bird is right there. No, where's the mink?
The mink.
I don't know.
Mink.
The mink.
He might be in his little spot over there.
Where's the mink? It might not be here. It might be in the next one. Mink! It might be in the next one, hey? Hey guys, I want to take my
See him,
phone.
Kathy?
Let me go over. Yeah, you take that off, I'll hold this.
I'm taking this off. And the mink.
They're nice birds. They're the gray birds, is it? Oh, there's the black thing over there. I guess that's the...
Oh, took off the bloody bird, took off the bird.
Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, I'm so excited! That's hot. Oh,
Look at them all.
oh,
Something in there they like.
touched me. Oh, someone touched me. Maybe it's another booty flower.
Oh, this was for the birds, look, isn't it? I guess. And see the things, the holes going into the fence there?
Could be little bird thing or something, right?
Yeah, could be.
Do you see it?
Hey, birds, huh?
Look at that nephew.
We're not looking for birds.
I'm not afraid of
Both
people.
of us.
Not afraid of people, are they?
Both. You won't stay cute.
Yeah, no, that's for the people who work here.
How old he is? Because we adopted him as an older cat.
Can I,
Yeah,
when you
Mom-
finish
Mom
with that,
wanted to go, and then they started
can I look through your binoculars?
Yeah.
videos on the road with his daughter. And
I'll look through them after, how's that?
Okay.
I'll let you take your time doing pictures.
This one, of course, is the ever popular beaver. 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 I do not think I will see any beavers. Or will I?
Canada goose.
That's a goose.
Canada goose?
Yeah. Huh? What'd you say? What'd you say, babe?
He turned his head when she was talking to him.
Where's the rest of your family? Where does everybody go? My goodness gracious, you're all by yourself.
He must feel pretty safe out
Where's
here.
all your family?
That's adorable.
You don't know. Well, we have
You
to
know
go
what?
find them.
His little wing is broke, is it?
Find them.
Think so?
Is his little wing broke,
He's
babe?
probably clipped.
What?
He's probably clipped.
Oh,
Well, he's got lots of places. He's safe anyway.
Oh yeah.
He's not lonely. Hey,
And he can walk away from you.
yeah.
Where's everybody in your family?
You love animals, do you?
I wouldn't want a Canada goose in my house, though. Hey. Quack, quack. Allison says, what's the duck say? Quack, quack, quack.
You got the best of 2 worlds. Like you didn't have to go to the first one. Nope, I had it all. But you had to go sightseeing. I had it last way there.
Thank you, little buddy.
So this one is the Snowshoe Hare, just like a little rabbit.
Where do you go? This way, here? This way? What? Here?
You walking on, are you? Ready to give it up now, are you?
Be hard to find them, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna find it.
No. In the meantime, I have one rabbit. Look, just
Little house or little feeding area for the rabbit. For the rabbit. So this here is the red fox, red fox, red fox.
Daddy was walking on Silver Hill the other day and seen a fox and a rabbit. Sandra used to feed the foxes up there.
Not allowed to do
No,
that.
I know. I heard afterwards. I told her.
Because it makes them tame.
Yeah.
Well, they could attack you. If you don't have enough for them, they feel they want more, they can attack you.
Oh, can they really?
Yes, and you can get rabies from them.
Yeah, I know you can get rabies from animals and stuff, but like, I didn't think that they could attack. No, well, that's stupid. I shouldn't even say that.
You know they're going to attack.
Yeah, but what? It's not even that, like, I didn't know that they'd, if you didn't have enough food, they'd attack. Hear that?
Awful smell on that.
Arctic fox.
What's wrong, Gloria?
There's an awful smell on that boat thing there.
What? She kills me. Awful smell on what?
On this board. I was leaning over to see if he was underneath, and I got the bad smell.
There's holes in the ground. I said, do they go in the
They
holes?
could burrow too, yeah.
I'll go over. Like little burrowing dogs.
Oh, there's a hole there, look.
Yeah.
Right there.
So it's a hole there.
Okay, so this is the end of the trail with the animals. Just wanted to mention before I forgot, I didn't mention that there was a Canadian lynx, but it's basically never really been seen except for the Canadian lynx only comes out in the nighttime, so it's daytime now. So, okay. Fola's Diner. So let's go have some lunch. Fola's Diner. Okay, lunch is served. So I got a clubhouse and fries. So this looks really good.
You never ever said that. I say that to a lot of people.
And my friend got a two-piece fish and chip. And that looks like a very good fish and chip. Very good fish and chip. She likes to put gravy on the fish and chip.
But they knew we were coming.
And the majority of people were
And the only side there is fries. And, you know everyone, 95% would be having fries.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Right, 'cause there's no rice, there's no potato,
Right.
there's no salads. So, and then fish, you know, can't go easy cook fish anywhere.
I will tell you that pea soup was good.
Oh, did it? I love pea soup, it was hard on me.
I tried to get some at the hot shop yesterday, didn't have any.
No? I tell you, you got the best pea soup that I like around Big Goods.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I usually make some.
I do too a bit, but if I make it,
You eat too much.
I eat all of it.
Yeah.
Then that's no good for the house because I'm. And every